Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you that how to dramatically color grade your images in Photoshop. And in this video, I'm going to show you new techniques to color grade your images fast in Photoshop, which will blow your mind. So let's start the video. Now open Photoshop and import your image in the Photoshop. So first of all, we have to make a high pass layer on this background layer. So press Ctrl J, go to filter, then click other, then select high pass. I think this is perfect. Okay. Now blend this layer to about linear light, vivid light, yes, and decrease its opacity. I think linear light is perfect. Yes, color dodge is perfect. Now click here, then select the gradient. Double click here, select the first one, then select OK. And select the radial style. Okay. Yes, this one is perfect. Click here, make a curves layer, go to reds, now click here and then select vibrance, decrease the vibrance and increase its saturation. Again click here, make brightness and contrast layer and increase its brightness. Okay. Make a gradient layer, double click here, okay. Make its opacity about 30 or 33. Select this, make a gradient map layer, double click here, select this one. I want to change the color. Okay. Blend this layer to the multiplier, overlay, I think normal is perfect. Okay, make a brightness there. Now press Ctrl Shift Alt E to merge all these layers. Let's name it Camera Raw. Press Ctrl Shift A. This is before camera, this is after camera adjustments. I hope you guys will enjoy this video. As you can see this, that how quickly we dramatically color grade our images in Photoshop. So please like this video and subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon to get instant notifications of my new videos.